University of Management Sciences and the Center for Water Informatics and Technology. Let me welcome all of you to this symposium that we have named as A History and Future of the Indus Basin, Connecting Water to Culture, Economy and Technology. Let me give you a very, very brief sort of background to why we thought that this symposium would be appropriate at this time and at this place. So as you know that this symposium is happening here at Ali Institute while there is a Lahore Science Mela happening outside. And the Science Mela, I hope that you will be able to explore after this symposium or during the symposium. There's a great effort by some of our colleagues at LUMS where we are trying to do some outreach related to science and different scientific ideas. But, and also our group at LUMS mostly works within the School of Science and Engineering and on scientific disciplines related to water. What we thought would be a great idea is to somehow make this connection of science with history and science with culture in the particular example of water. And I think this is a fascinating subject in the sense that you have a natural system, an environmental system which is interacting with the community, and the community itself is interacting with the environment. So to explore this in sort of a historical context and an historical framework would be very enlightening for the scientists and the engineers on the one hand, and to bring together the historians and the geographers and the social scientists all in one room to look at this from sort of a very holistical picture. So that was the idea that we thought that maybe we should bring these sort of seemingly disparate communities together under one roof and sort of talk about science and culture at the same time. Very quickly, looking at the program, we'll start with a session in which three leading presenters, leading researchers, will talk about the different ideas about Indus in the age of large infrastructures. This will be followed by a panel discussion where again some of our speakers who are from different backgrounds will try to explore this theme further. And followed by that we have two really unique sort of events. Professor James Westwood from MIT will be giving a keynote on Indus waters and contemporary issues by looking at Indus Basin as a garden and its further explorations in Punjab. And the event will end by a book launch by Professor David Gilmartin, who will be talking about his recent book, Blood and Water, and followed by, of course, some sort of conclusion and a general discussion. So that is the program for today. I hope that you will enjoy the program with us. So without further ado, I will invite my colleague, Mr. Ranveer, to conduct the first session. The first session is Indus in the age of large infrastructures, large irrigation.